Here I've got OnePlus 60, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound and go to Do Not Disturb. Here you can quickly activate it just by tapping on this switcher, and it can be either on until you turn it off, or you can select the particular period of time for which this mode should be active, so it can be 3-4 hours as you wish. So let me cancel it, I won't turn it on now, and then you can personalize your Do Not Disturb mode. So you can add some exception, schedule your DND mode. So let me pick first exception, which is calls. So you can allow calls from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or from none of above. So let me pick from contacts only. So once your DND mode is on, you will be able to receive calls from your contacts. And you can also activate or deactivate allow repeat callers option. So this option means that if the same person calls you a second time within a 15-minute period of time, it will allow it. So let me leave it active. Let's go back. Then you can add some exception to messages, events and reminders. So you can allow messages from anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts only, or from none of above. So let me pick from contacts only. And then you can also allow reminders and events. So once it's on, the sound of events will be active even if your DND mode is on. So let's go back, and here you've got the other sounds like alarms, media and touch sounds, but let me switch them off. And let's go back. Now you can also schedule your DND mode, so you can select the duration, tap on duration, and it can even ask you every time you are switching it on, or you can pick some particular option, for example for 1 hour. Let me tap on OK, and you can also pick turn on automatically, and now you can set some automatic rule. For example, here is sleep and event. So if you would like to add something, just tap on add rule and select if it should be event or time. Let me pick time. Now it's time to name it, so it may be hard reset. Then tap on OK. And now you have to select the days on which this mode will be activated. So let me pick Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Just tap on done. And then select the start time. So maybe from 11 till 6 next day. So from now on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday between 11 and 6 next day, your DND mode will be automatically activated. You can also select the option alarm can override end time, and it's very useful, so I will keep it this way. And now let's go back. Now your rule is on. If you would like to switch it off for some time, just click over here. But if you would like to permanently delete it, just tap on bin icon over here and now tap on delete. So that's it. You can also have a quick access to DND mode. So if you will slide up the upper bar and tap on do not disturb, it's automatically activated, and then you can switch it off by tapping over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.